Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2024 Ford F-450 Platinum. Coming in this nice star white metallic coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 6.7 liter PowerScope turbo diesel engine. Comes equipped with the fifth wheel Hitch prep package, FX4 Off-Road, and the camper package. Taking a look at the back here, got that nice tow hitch, rear park sensing, nice platinum logo. Backup camera, we do get a tailgate step and a bed liner. We got side bed steps as well, with the nice dually body style. Got deployable running boards that will go up when you close your doors. And you do have side view camera, trailer tow mirrors with blind spot detection, turn light indicated, and spotlight. And moving to the front here, we do have front park sensing, 2 tow hooks, license plate bracket, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black perforated leathering, plenty of door space with a B&O sound system. Got that blue leathering on the door, platinum logo on the back seats. You can fold that down for 2 cup holders and some arm space. You got cup holders ahead of you, 2 heated back seats with 2 USB-Cs, 12 volt and 120, and of course you can lift up the seats for additional space, and you do get a flat fold storage system. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have powered seats as well as massaging. Got the same leathering we saw in the back there, plenty of door space, memory seating for up to 3 drivers. You got memory mirrors, parking brake, pedal adjusters, lights, spotlights, Pro Power Onboard, and tailgate opener all on your left hand side. Taking a look on the inside now, we can see the odometer is sitting at 25.9 kilometers. We do have a leather-wrapped heated steering wheel. We got our toggle-free screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control. Got the nice platinum logo right there. And looking at our main screen here, we do have My View, Trip and Feel, your heads-up display, which you can sort of kind of see it on the vehicle ahead of me. It just limits your distractions, gauges, off-road, towing, status info, navigation, phone, audio, vehicle maintenance, and other settings. To my right, we have tons of storage cup holders. You got 2 more if need be. Wireless charging, USB and USB-C, and more storage. Got the nice platinum logo right there with the brown suede. Tons of storage underneath. You get your own little light down there as well. You got your drive modes with your 4-wheel drive, trailer brake, Pro Trailer Assist, heated and cooled front seats with heated steering wheel, dual climate with a 12 volt and 120. You got storage above with the Super Duty logo. Storage below. We got 6 upfitter switches, which you can set up however you please. And we do get a nice rear window opener. We have our features for our twin panel moonroof, which provides excellent lighting for the vehicle. And we do get a garage door transmitter. Got your engine brake, 360 view of the vehicle, park, chimes, hazards, traction, and hill. Now looking at our main screen here, we have our audio, which does have SiriusXM capabilities. Got your phone, navigation, your fave apps such as messaging, email, all that fun stuff. Apps in general such as Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Settings. And you do get massaging seats with this vehicle for the front driver and passenger, which is pretty nice for those long car rides. And your features such as your onboard scales, running boards, and so on and so forth. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is EF50075, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.